Well, it's another question that I want to pose to you today. We started out as everybody does, as is. And when you're flipping cars, you just don't really give it much that attention when you sell a car as an individual, or flipping car, or skipping titles, whatever. The customer really does not come back to the individual as a rule that they bought the car from. They really accept the fact that they bought that car as is from a previous owner, and they very seldom will go back and call on that previous owner unless it's been an out and out misrepresentation and they want to pursue it that way. But as a dealer, it's a different situation. Regardless of your as-is paper signed, regardless of every conversation you have with your customer, they just don't hear it. They're going to bring that car back to you, even though you literally hammered it into their head that this is an as-is vehicle. They're just going to ignore you. They'll sign for it, but they're going to come back and work on your sympathies and things of that nature. And so as a car dealer, you get ready for it. Most of our cars now qualify for extended warranties, and we took on a couple of different extended warranty companies. And a lot of cars that we sell now, we give the purchaser an option to, of course, get the extended warranty. And even though they acknowledge the fact that there is no warranty from us, the selling dealer, but because we offered them an extended warranty, they're right back to bringing us the vehicle right back. Now, this is where this is going. This morning, a fantastic lady came in. She bought a car here a few weeks ago, and of course understood it was as is, no warranty. She did get an extended warranty on the vehicle, and this sometime over the weekend evidently heard a little ticking noise in the vehicle, and of course, lo and behold, the car shows up here this morning. Now my question is, what would you do? And Shane and I talked about this a little bit this morning, and we're still kind of up in the air of what we should do or what we shouldn't do. And they dropped it off here, and at first, okay, well, I thought, well, we'll just take it to a mechanic and have the mechanic contact the warranty company and, kind of get in the middle here. And I did tell Shane about that, and Shane come right back at me with what I had said before. Excuse me. We don't want to get in the middle. And I'm the one that really, it's come back and bit me in the ass, because I've told him, don't get in the middle of these extended warranty companies. Don't, stay out of it. Just keep yourself from your liabilities. And of course, here I am this morning, because Shane never confirmed whether he agreed with me or not. So the vehicle got dropped off this morning, and that was the first thing that I said, okay, well, we'll get it to the mechanic and get it looked at. And I'm telling Shane about it. Of course, he comes back and reminds me, hey, you're the one that said not to get in the middle. You need to tell them to take it straight to the mechanic, let the mechanic work with the warranty company. So I don't know on this, do we, I've got mixed emotions on this, and I guess maybe I'm asking for some comments. I don't know whether to get involved and try to assist these people in getting the car to the mechanic for them on their behalf, not really accepting any financial liabilities for getting the car repaired for them, but do we owe the customers the service of trying to find them a mechanic that will do this under warranty? The warranty company does not care about which mechanic they use. They work directly with the mechanic. And they've specified that they don't have a preference on mechanics. So I guess my question is, what would you do? Are you going to step in the middle and help the customer find a mechanic, carry the car to a customer for the mechanic? I'm still saying let's just stay out of it. But maybe I would like some input on, are you going to extend that service to your customers, or are you just going to refer them out to the warranty company? Please like, share this channel, and thanks for your input.